Casa Descadrell by SYMBIOSE Architecture and Design in Villeneuve-de-la-Raho, France. Located in the heart of the Villeneuve village, just a few meters from the lake, an old cellar showing traces of the past was transformed and renovated into a loft and architecture studio. Taking care to integrate into the built and historical context of the Villeneuvois village, the project seeks to create a dialogue between the pre-existing elements, the memory of the site, and the new intervention. This new intervention aims to enhance the identity of traditional Catalan architecture by reappearing the river stone and cayrou covered under the old plaster, recovering the original openings, preserving the characteristic elements of the building, and using raw, silent materials. Present in the form of an imposing traditional framework, wood is used for all joinery. The existing visual of the rafters and brickwork of the under roof is preserved. At the southern end, part of the roof is removed to create an open-air patio with a view of the Albers mountain range. With its double height, this intimate space, where time seems to stand still, connects the architecture studio on the first floor to the first floor, intended for the main living area.